care now. This man was monster here. Decide to go on a vaps and go up in the bush, driving looking for things. Look at the darkness in the night. Vaps. Just so pull me out of my good bed.
They do right. Once we are KFC and gas. Food in belly and gas in the tank and we going.
Yeah. Oh, first snake of the night. Coffee snake. Coffee snake.
Don't disrespect this one like we did the last one.
All this mist. This mist in the clouds. But it's real plenty, man. Heading back home. We in the clouds. This is another bush right there. All that is the road. And the cold no tail. Look at that. See this cloud here blowing, you can see the street light. And everything getting wet. That's this cloud. If you look, all our water there forming from this cloud passing through. I want to go up there. Look, you can't see nothing. You can't see nothing there.
Driving by memory.
Beetle here. Harlequin beetle. We're releasing it. Just fly down by my house and thing. But them more deep forest. Where I live is, you can see at the edge of deep forest. Just fly down from the mountains by my house. I like to bring them back out into the bush.
And bite me.
And he get hit, bitten, smitten. I believe they are the largest beetle found in Trinidad. This one's small. Oh, and he on me. He gone bite
him,
man.
bite him.
I getting bitten, smitten. No, don't let go. That thing biting hard. Hey, let's pull him. No, he biting me. This thing biting me. I don't want them to get me.
What's your teeth, man?
Eh?
These teeth. Look at them.
Yeah.
Mad nibbles.
I got bitten from this once. It doesn't feel nice.
Oh, really?
Yes. No, I got bitten actually twice. One trying to make a TikTok video.
Well, who tell you dress up like a tree and come in the forest? Do I expect a tree loving dog that is feed on tree sap?
Hey.
Not to want to come on you.
Wait. A machete.
Oh my goodness. Wait, them too direct with the light.
Oh, which one
Leave
here?
right here. Right.
Oh.
I'm gonna get my camera.
Look a snake day. Seen the day. Right there. A snake right up in the bush there. Huh? Bush monster. Seeing thing, but Benji boss here. You jump down. Long tail machete. We find second night of what is it? What is the word?
DTH.
DTH.
Not what you think it is.
Drive. Yes. Just what he said. The other night we come out here, nothing but clouds and bugs. Now we had this nice long tail, juvenile long tail machete. He just jump off as we trying to get closer footage. Oh, this thing here focusing properly. Yes. And he smell and stink. Look how long that tail is. From here. Look how long. That's a long tail. Okay. After you get some footage, I'm putting back in the forest too. start releasing this one and then head into the road. Well, he taking a few more pictures.
No, but just releasing. Bye, buddy.
Yep.
Just explaining that to your friends.
Where we see to go? Oh, is that what I think it is? A female.
Yes.
Which one is that, boy? One of them geckos. Oh, it's a female variegated gecko or brilliant clawed gecko. And it's strange to find this one crawling around at night because they are normally diurnal lizards. Almost said snake there. But they are similar to the house lizard and the spot-nosed lizard. Also the ocellated lizard or ocellated gecko found in Tobago. All of them are in the group of lizards known as gonatides, which is a type of day gecko. But this species is found in Trinidad and not really in Tobago. But it was a cool find to find this one this hour of the night. So yeah, as we release this, well, the snake gone. As we release that, going and walk on the road. Here we seen the head back in the vehicle there. DTH fun. Look at this size of crab right here on the road.
Ooh,
Big. There's a milk frog. Let me go around the corner there. We go and see what they.
yeah.
Dear me. Who's coming? Alright, look. A nice chevron. Yeah? Yeah? A baby chevron. The boss of Benji's. Look at the size of this stick insect. A rod. This.
Somebody hold on 3 foot tonight. One walk away.
Look at the size. This thing.
That is huge.
Oh, it have eggs.
Is this a glass frog?
No, this is a what you call it again? A marsupial frog.
One
I
that's
think.
carry the babies?
Yes.
You need to move a leaf?
I wanted to jump on my hand. Oh, wait, go on.
Yeah, I don't think you fell. Have you fell?
Yeah, I did. And I have it. Yep, this is a marsupial frog. Benji, what's our good eyes, boy? And it have eggs in it. If you look carefully, you can see the eggs. This is a very interesting frog. Now, the thing about this frog is after breeding, I can't recall if it's the male or the female. I believe more the female. They will store the eggs in the pouch under the skin. You see that line? They will store the eggs in that pouch, if I can recall, and if I'm absolutely correct, because I'm not no herpetologist, biologist, or zoologist. I'm just a or naturalist. I am just a hunter explorer that likes to come across these things. Where did he go? Very interesting, intriguing. I've seen some of these with eggs in their back already. Now, this is the first time I've actually seen one without eggs in their back. This is cool. A biggie crab. Benji boss again. Spotting.
Oh, this one is beautiful.
Spotting.
Look at those colors.
The spot our next one. Look at them colors. That is gorgeous. Look at them colors there. Look, one of these.
Sweet.
Manicure. He's just so big. Ooh, a manicure there. Oh. I was. He gone under the tree. Ugh. He gone. A baby manicure is there. He gone under this big log. Yes, I'll just he backside. I grab. One of them. Them thing immune to my view right channel.
For real?
Yeah.
They're like margins.
Yeah. Well, that was a adventure.
He was tiny.
Yeah, he was small. I wish I could have got a good picture though. Seeing this. Ooh. Wild onion. Oh. I can't remember the other names. I'm kind of tired at the moment, but copy.
Close, yeah.
Yeah. That what he said. Though there was nothing much to find after we got in the car and saw that tree, so we head home. It's early morning right now, and I want to say thank you to Benji Boss and Bush Monster for coming on this trip, well, carrying me on this trip and helping me make this video. It wouldn't be possible without them. So, as you all know, I'm the Wildlife Master. I hope you like this episode of DTH, and until next time, peace out. Bye.